Hello everyone, this is Nawal and in this video I am going to show you how to draw easy house or scenery in MS Paint. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Choose rectangle option from the shapes and adjust the size according to your need. Then choose the triangle option, also adjust it. Nextly, to make the door, again select the rectangle option, then adjust the size according to your requirement. Then for the windows, again you have to choose rectangle option, adjust the sizes. Select rectangle shape and simply drag it. Repeat the same process in the horizontal and vertical ways of both sides of the house. Now for the grassy effect, let's choose the clouds and drag it to the bottom area. Choose the circle to make the sun and clouds shape to make the clouds. Nextly, adjust the sizes according to your requirement. Erase the extra line with the eraser. Zoom it if you are facing difficulty while erasing. Then color all the shapes with their respective color. That is yellow, blue, light blue, brown, pink, etc. To make the house more attractive, simply draw the lines on the top part of the house and also on the windows and doors. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share it with your friends.